In this video we will learn all about circular sketch pattern. The circular sketch pattern tool is used to create circular patterns about a center point. To demonstrate the circular sketch pattern tool, we will create a circle entity located 300 from a pattern arc center point. Click the circular sketch pattern tool. The circular sketch pattern tool is a flyout from the linear sketch pattern tool. Click the circle entity. Pattern arc center point can be changed by changing these coordinates. Pattern arc center point also changed by changing the arc angle value. Pattern arc radius can also be changed from this box. Check the equal spacing box and put angle value for circular pattern. Check preview for that angle. Get pattern all around, put 360 value. Second method, check set angular spacing box and put angular value for one entity to other. Check dimension box to automatically generate dimension of circular pattern arc. If check display instance count box, then a number will be assigned to every instance of pattern. Set the number of objects or instance in the pattern to 8. Click the green OK check mark. If you like video, press like and share. Have any question, comment below. Try to answer you. To learn SolidWorks beginning to advanced level, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.